The recapitalization program of the Central Bank of Nigeria has enabled banks to raise 4.65 trillion naira with strong participation from both domestic and international investors. 72.55% of the capital was sourced locally, while 27.45% came from international market. According to the president of CIBN, growing the economy will depend on banks increasingly deploying capital and lending to micro, small and medium enterprises and other productive sectors.
Banks can no longer just focus on throwing the money on G10 securities or just lending to the top sector. Why? Because the interest rate regime is going down. Yields are coming down on the government securities front. Also, for the top tier sector players, the tier 1 players, the margins are thin. They want to borrow at single digits. Therefore, smart bankers, smart bank CEOs have to think of a more ingenious way of utilizing this capital. What does that entail? It entails going down a little bit down the ladder to lend to the MSMEs, the micro, the small, and the medium-scale enterprises.
Speaking ahead of the annual Banking and Finance Conference, the CIBN president stressed the need for Nigerian banks to remain competitive and resilient enough to absorb global economic shocks.
Building a resilient economy in an era of disruptions, strategic imperatives for the banking and financial services industry could not be more timely. As the global economy continues to navigate technological disruption, geopolitical uncertainties, evolving customer expectations, cybersecurity risks, and climate-related challenges, resilience has become the defining attribute of successful financial systems and economies.
From geopolitical uncertainties and technological disruptions to cyber threats, climate risks, evolving customer expectations, and changing regulatory landscape, resilience has become the defining characteristics of successful financial systems. The conference will therefore provide practical insights and actionable recommendations for strengthening institutions and positioning the Nigerian banking industry for sustained growth.
With Nigeria's ambition to build a resilient economy and achieve a $1 trillion economy, experts say the two-day conference will bring together critical players in the financial sector to highlight key imperatives and strengthen the industry's resolve to play a pivotal role in economic growth and development. Joshua Murakio, LTV News, Lagos.